Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 8th July. And apart from the index, we would also be sharing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing the Nifty options open interest data. So for 8th July weekly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 16,000 strike followed by 15,900 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,800 strike followed by 15,700 strike. So broadly speaking, we are trading in a 300 point range on the index with 16,000 likely to act as a resistance and 15,700 likely to act as a support. And if you were to see what happened intraday, the change in open interest data suggests that today highest amount of calls, they were written at 16,100 strike, and you will also see open interest reduction in out of the money call options like 16,200, 16,000 strikes. So it tells us that out of the money call buyers, they book their losses, and call writers, they book their profits, as tomorrow is the weekly expiry contract and probability of these strikes turning in the money are relatively less. So that is why we saw open interest reduction in out of the money calls. And if you see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 15,800 level. So it tells us that going forward 15,800 is likely to act as a strong support, and below 15,800 based on the overall open interest data, we have a support around 15,700 level on the index. If we analyze the option max pain data for 8 July weekly expiry contract, it tells us that the max pain level has shifted upwards to 15,850 level from 15,800. So if tomorrow market was to expire around 15,850 levels, in that scenario call and put option writers of 15,850 strike, they would be making profits, and call and put option buyers of 15,850 strike, they would suffer losses, as if market was to expire at 15,850, in that scenario the premium for the calls and put options, it would decay and it would become zero, and large percentage of options, they expire worthless. So going forward, if market was to expire at 15,850 tomorrow, then call and put option writers, they would be making profits at the expense of call and put option buyers. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, so on the monthly time frame, the index is under control of buyers as we are trading above the monthly open, which is at 15,755 levels. And if you see the weekly time frame, again we are trading under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open of 15,793 levels. And here you will see on the daily time frame as well, today market was under control of buyers above 15,819 level. So today we had a situation of full time frame continuity above 15,823 level, as at that point of time all the time frames, monthly, weekly and the daily, they were under control of buyers. Considering that tomorrow is the weekly expiry, so we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. So above 15,879 we can potentially trade towards 15,924 levels and potentially 15,963 levels, and below 15,822 we can trade towards 15,749 levels and potentially 15,709 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 15,879 to 15,822, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. Our stock watch list comprises of daily inside candlestick pattern. So our first stock is Adani Enterprises. It is currently in a downtrend as it is trading below 5 and 20-day exponential moving average, but it formed an inside candlestick today. So we'll look for breakout in either side of the range, and if it trades above 1437.2, we'll look for buying position but with half a normal size, as it would be a counter trend trade. And if it trades below 1384.9, we'll look for selling opportunity in Adani Enterprises with a normal position size. Our next stock is Burger King. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So above 171.6, we'll look for a buying opportunity with a normal position size, and we'll look for selling opportunity below 165 with half a position size. Next stock is Ashok Leyland. So in terms of the trend, it is in a sideways choppy trend. So we'll look and today it formed an inside candlestick. Yesterday was an outside candlestick, today was an inside candlestick. So we'll look to enter if either side of the range breaks tomorrow. So above 124, we'll look for buying opportunity with a normal position size, and if it trades below 121.9, we'll look for selling opportunity with half our position size. And finally, our last stock would be ICICI Bank. It's in an uptrend based on the 5 and 20 exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 654.8 with normal position size, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 645.8 with half our normal position size. So these are the stocks that are based on daily inside candlestick pattern. However, I would be sharing a long and short bias stock watch list around 9:45 p.m., which comprises of sectors that are currently outperforming or underperforming the index, and it would also be including stocks that are currently trading above previous week highs and previous week lows as well. So do stay tuned for our long and short bias stock watch list, which I would be posting around the usual time, 9:45 p.m. tonight. And finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.